once again and Happy New Year. Welcome to XAUUSD and XAGUSD, so gold and silver weekly outlook. So basically, I'm bullish. Generally, I'm bullish on the two metals, silver and gold, and I want to see them rally higher because of what is happening geopolitically. And as much as that should be enough, I like to rely more on technical analysis. The uh, the fundamental analysis, I just want to have it in the back of my head just to know what is going on in the world and what is affecting gold and so forth and so forth. But I really like to rely on technical analysis. So technically, I'm not ready to trade gold to the upside yet. I am bullish, but I am not ready to trade it yet because of several things. So let's talk about them right here. So we had this retracement week on, first of all, technically, what supports my bullish bias is you can see that we had a close above these highs. So this was not a liquidity sweep, or rather it became in a situation where I get a close above it. It shows me that, because remember what I've mentioned in the US 100 and 500, I've said that these are premium weeks. So the moment we had that close above it, it signifies that price wants to keep on rallying higher. So, and then we had this retracement week, which was around Christmas. We had that retracement week on both assets. You can see we had that retracement week, and now price is leaving that retracement level. And what I want to see is a close above this if I will start looking for longs on the daily and 4-hour charts. So this is my last down close candle. So that is the open of the last down close candle that I have labeled on XAUUSD and XAGUSD. And I want to see price close above it this week, and then probably next week I can start looking for long setups. And another thing that's making me wait for that is because the DXY has been also, let me just label it as, so that is the open of the last down close candle. Want price to close above it on the weekly chart. Another reason that I would like to stay on the sidelines this week is because DXY has also been bullish, and I do not like to trade gold when the dollar index is also moving in the same direction. So I would like to get a close below this, or maybe, yeah, probably I would like to see price close below the open of this candle, so it will signal that there is a change in state to the downside. And when I get that bearish bias on DXY, I automatically be very confident to trade the move higher on gold. So I think that's it for gold. I really didn't have much to say about it, because if on the weekly I do not have anything that clear, I tend not to participate in trading the particular market in question. And maybe we should go over Bitcoin together since we're here. But that's it for gold. And so we are currently in a range on this one. Okay, let me go through it, and maybe I'll post a video later on it. So that is my analysis on gold. I will be on the sidelines this week, and since US 100 and 500, I have a bias and everything is clear, I will be more focused on seeing what they do, and I will just be observing gold from the sidelines. So if you haven't watched the video on US 100 and US 500, kindly check the channel, or maybe I'll put a link in the description for that video so that you can check it out. Also join my Telegram channel. I will be posting the trades that I take on Nasdaq and SP 500 this week, because I believe I will get a long setup based on the weekly analysis that I have done. So that's it for now. See you in the channel and the weekly preview that I will do at the end of the week. Thank you for joining, and subscribe to my channel and kindly like this video so that you can pop on other traders videos. So thank you.